An outbreak of swine flu south of the border threatens to become a pandemic. Some traveling between the U.S. and Mexico aren't taking chances. At the U.S. border in San Diego, some Customs and Border Patrol officers don masks covering their mouths and noses. But far more travelers walking from Tijuana, Mexico wore them. At the customs checkpoint, flyers instructed border crossers to cover their mouths and noses if they sneeze or cough.
Because I heard the flu was contagious, and I don't know if people are carrying it around, and I don't want to risk it, you know.
So far, no deaths have been reported in the U.S., but in Mexico, a far different story. The government there says close to 150 people have died from swine flu. People we spoke with at the border crossing say many Tijuana citizens are staying indoors and covering their faces.
Since I'm going to the airport, I'm kind of concerned because there's a lot of people, and I don't know where they're coming from or if they're coming from Mexico City.
Some looking for hours before they could find a mask to buy.
But other people doesn't have money to buy it, so that's why a lot of people it's affecting because they don't have money to buy it.
And some of the people who had taken the initiative to wear surgical masks, Americans who had hopped over the border to get medical treatment.
And my parents are in their senior year, and we don't want to get sick or spread it around.
California's governor mobilized the state health department and emergency operations center to monitor swine flu cases.
There are some people that say, well, this will slow down tourism, this will be terrible for the economy, and all this. But I think that the number one I think that we have to concentrate on is just the safety of the people and to make sure that this problem goes away as quickly as possible and that we don't kind of pull back and then all of a sudden it's out of control, because then it's much worse.
The federal government says out of an abundance of caution, those headed to Mexico should think twice and reschedule any non-essential trips. John Mone, The Associated Press, San Diego.